it is, he is too young to receive this. In such a young age, if a person receives such a big title, he may, what do you call, success is too tough to digest. So that may fire back in the later stage, but I am sure he is a very level-headed boy. Age cannot be a barrier. After listening his speech, I am very sure that he will keep his feet on the ground and he will be humble enough and he will take the pride of the entire youngsters in Viva to the greater heights. Mr. Amitabh Kant, CEO of Niti Aayog, he has stated, he said, the future of the redistribution of wealth in India is in the hands of direct selling industry. This is an industry which the country is looking forward. So we recognize this industry. These are the exact lines used by him. So friends, whole country is looking at the network marketing business. The whole country is looking at network marketing business. Whole companies in network marketing industry is looking at Indus Viva. Why I made this statement? Because 2020, we have sold more number of products than 2019. In the peak of COVID also, we have grown. And as Dr. Shamsuddin said, he said, Corona is over. When I could see some eyebrows were up, but it is clear in the month of January, means yesterday, last month, the government of India has collected 1,20,000 crore as GST. That is the highest ever in the history of GST. Means Corona is been sidelined. The economy is back. Economy is back. See friends, Ashoka the Great is such a fantastic ruler the country has ever seen. Not much information is available about Ashoka, but there is one quote available about Ashoka. Before I talk about that, I just want to tell one important point. There are so many network marketing companies in India, then why Indus Viva? Why Indus Viva? One thing I can say very proudly, I don't know about other companies, but in Indus Viva, one thing is very clear. And in my experience in this industry throughout these years, I believe Indus Viva is the only company with this particular philosophy. That is, for us, Indus Viva is second. Indus Viva is secondary. Primary is network marketing industry. Primary is network marketing industry. Our chairman has made a statement. I don't know how many of you have noticed that. We wanted to be a very pure network marketing company, the purest form of network marketing company. You won't see the advertisement of Indus Viva products anywhere. You don't see Indus Viva is opening retail outlets to distributing our products. We will stand for the purest form of network marketing industry, which is distributor focused. Distributor focused. We don't want to invest money in opening lavish offices everywhere. Rather, we shall invest that money in strengthening the leadership capabilities of our distributors, empowering distributors. Many people have a wrong notion that company means big office, big factory, etc., etc. But it is not. Company is people. Company is people. Company is people. The companies which are investing on people, you will be able to see phenomenal statement how a country has to be. Then you may be wondering, many people are getting into your organization, many are less committed, very inactive. Reasons are many. One reason is, our chairman used to cry with this reason. Only one drawback of our industry is, Abhi, there is no entry barrier. There is no entry barrier. But if you want to start an insurance company in India, you have to make a deposit of 250 crores. But network marketing company, anybody can start. Number two, in China, if you want to become a direct seller, first you have to register your name with a company and buy X amount of products from that company, and that product should be liquidated within a given point of time. Then you will be in the queue, because a company can recruit only X number of people in a month. How tough is to become a direct seller in China? First you have to pay, buy the product and sell that product, maybe 30 days time or something. Then company will keep your name in the list. You will be in the queue, because company can recruit only, for example, 100 number of people only in a month. Basic nature of society, opt shortcuts, easy money. If one politician is saying, you make me chief minister, I will give you rice for 2 rupee. Forget about other developments or anything, people will vote for him. Because easy, shortcuts. That is the problem. See, can you tell me one reason why China is growing so fast and why they are flexing their muscles even against America? Can you tell me why? We too have equal population. Government is strict. But there are other strict governments also. But one important point we need to understand. In India, we know Marwadis are wealthy. Yes or no? But all Indian community is not wealthy. But in China, an average Chinese, he is wealthy because he is also like Marwadi, an entrepreneurial mindset man. An entrepreneurial mindset man. I am talking from my heart. My uncle and his daughter are here. My sister, my first cousin sister, she has got a proposal from a business family, a wealthy business family. But she said, I don't want a businessman. So I have made them to attend this program. I'm just telling you. See, this is an Indian typical mentality. But in China, husband and wife, they have 2 separate accounts. So, all Chinese are like Marwadis. If all Indians are like Marwadis, you just think India will be going ahead of China. So, in Vibrant Viva, what we are trying to say, in Vibrant Viva, we are trying to inculcate the business spirit, the entrepreneurial spirit in each Indian's heart. That is the way we can make India developed. Many of my colleagues are sitting here. In one staff meeting, I have openly told, I don't have double standards, I have only one standard. In that meeting, I have openly told, through employment, nobody can come up in life. All assistant managers and about some 40 people were sitting, I could see their face become small. See, I cannot say one here, something else, elsewhere. And I made my point, why I said so. It is the hard truth. So, the point out here is, when people are entering to business, you are actually developing, or actually you are empowering him to become an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur means a man who activates his wings and fly. Others are actually, although they have wings, but they are not using that wings And like we used to say, eagle and chicken story. That's it. So when you are recruiting people from the society, average Indian, they all are looking for what? Safe, secured benefits from the government to transform those people at par with the Chinese as entrepreneurs. It is a tough job with which Modi ji cannot do, chief ministers cannot do. You and I have to do this. Yes or no? Yes. So let us take pride in this nation building exercise, my dear friends. So the key element of entrepreneurship, we have to learn from Julius Caesar. What does Julius Caesar did when he go for war? He used to, in one war, he was attacking Asia Minor. The entire the Roman army was sailing towards Asia Minor. After reaching Asia Minor, Caesar said, burn all the ships. And he said, now you have only one choice, win the war or die here. Win the war or die here. Let me conclude my session with one more quote of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon said, an army of 100 lions led by a dog, all will die in the streets like a dog. But an army of dogs led by a lion will fight like a lion in the battlefield. So, friends, you be the second. Even if your downlines are average, but if you are like standing like a lion, they will fight like lion. They will fight like lion. Then you will see surprise stars like Francis Hussain is emerging from some corner of the country. They will come forward. They will steal the show. So the 2021 would be really, really exciting, because even 2020, in spite of all the challenges, if we could sell more products than 2019, then think about 2021. A clear air visibility is so high. 2021 would become the best year or the game-changing year. And just one sentence I wanted to tell you, dear friends. If you're crazy enough to set your diamond target, as Mr. Allen said, if you're crazy enough to set your diamond target for 31st December 2021, we all will celebrate the New Year 2022 in New Zealand, where the sunlight, where the New Year appears first. Where rest all will be waiting for the world. But it is not a contest or anything. If you're a diamond, we all will fly together. A diamond could easily afford a ticket to New Zealand. Yes or no? So, fantastic, dear friends. So, now one responsibility entrusted on me. See, the most friendliest country towards India in this region. Can you tell me which country? The most friendliest country to India in South Asian region. Please don't tell me Bhutan. Bhutan is not even 1/10 of Bangalore. The most friendliest country to India. Who said Pakistan? The most friendliest country to India is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the most friendliest country to India, and the beauty of Indus Viva's products and our astonishing Viva opportunity shall kickstart, Chairman told me to announce, 27th February from Dhaka. We are all set to go. 27th February, by God willing, we are on in Bangladesh. It is a huge country. It's a huge country, okay? It's not a small country, it's a very big country. So, just one line. My friend Sujit Khan, he went to Meghalaya without knowing Khasi language or Hindi language or with broken English. And he created history there. Then if that is the case, I invite each one of you to generate at least 1,000 PV from Bangladesh another 6 months down the line. You don't need to learn English or Bangla. Sujit says, money language, no problem, any language. With that language, see, we need to move. We need to move. No one has become diamond or crorepati or millionaire just by sitting in their own hometown. And Bangalore is not my hometown. My village is again 250 kilometers away from here. So move, dear friends. Bangla tigers are waiting for Indian lions. Thank you.
This journey of this business, I believe, when Indus West, has launched in 2000, they started their operations in 2014. Initial days, the business was in Meghalaya, all the places. From there, it started. Today, we are in US, we are in Nepal, we are in Rwanda, we are in Bangladesh. Just imagine, after 10, 15 years, when this company is launching in 20, 25 countries, the question is whether we will be having the presence in those countries or not. That's a question. Will you ensure? The opportunity is that. So, I'm so nervous. Actually, I got my cue sheet for today's program, and I was going through that. I thought, Virat Kohli is going to finish this game. But Virat Kohli was the opener for this match. The program has just begun. Today, this stage, I'm taking as my honor and privilege. And I'm sure this day is going to mark in the history of Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited and in the history of direct selling industry. When we started the business, as I was telling you before also, everyone's dream was in the initial days to achieve executive diamond. Someone has showed us that every ranks are possible, and the Black Diamond Ambassador also started coming, and now many Black Diamond Ambassadors we are having. And today, we have proven that Black Diamond Ambassadors, achieving a Black Diamond Ambassador is very much possible in Indus Viva, right or not? And one more history we have created today. In the first time in the history of Indus Viva, and I'm sure this kind of achievement, this would be the first time in the history of even in direct selling industry, no doubt. That is why we are always saying there is no one like Indus Viva. When the whole world is struggling, when the whole business is struggling, day by day, we are proving that we are the best among the best. So ladies and gentlemen, today is the most spacious day for each and every Indus Viva distributor. We have created the history that today we have produced a brand new Royal Black Diamond Ambassador. So ladies and gentlemen, let's put hands together to invite the first Royal Black Diamond Ambassador of Indus Viva, Mr. Prem Kumar Parthasarathi and Mrs. Sangeeta Prem Kumar. we will start speaking, I want to become a Royal Black Diamond Ambassador. Right or not? He has proved that it's possible. It's possible. As I told you, when the whole world is shaking with this different challenges, industry is growing day by day by day by day. My dear brothers and sisters, we are so much of, we are so delighted today, and we are 100% safe in the hands of this amazing company. And today, we have proved that we are having a brand new Royal Black Diamond Ambassador. For honoring this amazing couple, I would like to request our Honorable Chairman, Sir C.N. Sir, please come on to the stage. Our Bill CEO, Abhilash Sir, please come on to the stage. And our Dr. M. Shamsuri Sir, so please.
Shura,
So requesting everyone to please settle. Please take your seats. So now let's listen from our brand new Royal Black Diamond Ambassador. Over to you, Premji.
Ladies first. At Indus Viva, we respect women. So I want first my partner to take the privilege of addressing my Indus Viva family.
Hello. Hi, everybody. I'm so nervous and so thrilled about this moment. I was looking forward to it from morning. Now I'm like speechless. It's so privileged that my husband did this. I don't know. I don't have words to express how I feel proud of him. I can even count how many days he slept in this whole Jan. Every night he has sleepless nights. 1 week done, 2 week done, 3 week done. The 4th week, like I started asking from Friday itself, oh, is it over? Is it over? He's like, not yet, not yet. It was like very thrilling moment. So all credit goes to his hard work and his determination and patience. Nothing else. Over to him.
That's all? Thank you. Okay. So I want to thank my partner first. She's, I think, 51% partner. I'm 49 because she's taking care of even the kids along with taking care of me. So she's the 51%. Right. So, good evening. Most respected, our chairman, Ansar sir, and usually I don't get emotional on the stage. My mentor, sponsor, friend, guide, brother. Thank you, Abhilashi. Of course, our great Mahaguru, Dronacharya, Shamshuddin sir, respected Shamshuddin sir. Our Sharif ji, Hari Matthew sir, Mr. Arun Thomas, Dr. Balu, Suresh sir, and the entire corporate team. A big thank you. A big thank you. Are you shocked or you are surprised? Picture abhi baki hai. Let me promise you one thing. Today is going to be your biggest day in your life. Are you ready for that? Okay, first thing, I want to thank the corporate team, as I told, and all those who supported in this journey. Exactly, today is February 1st. 7 years back, I started this journey from Bangalore, Indus Viva, and today I'm stepping into the 8th year, and I believe for me the 8th year will become the 8th wonder really. Right. The first thing is, I want to thank my lovely, lovely colleagues, my lovely DAC colleagues, the council members. They've always been a wonderful encouragement to me. At this moment, I want to thank Mr. Laldin Puya, Mr. Anish Varghese. Then we have our Indus Viva's first Black Diamond Ambassador, Mr. Sujit Khan. Then, of course, Raghupati Nageshwar Rao Garu. They have always been there I've learnt a lot from Nagesh ji also, always looking at his way of building the business. And of course, Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, when they play, we love the match. I cannot forget lovely competition from Sumit ji, because that is what makes us to bring out the best in all of us. Thank you, Sumit ji, because when you are there, it is always a thrill in the game, and we will continue to be like this. Yes. So, my dear friends, when Mahendra Singh Dhoni lifted the World Cup, the whole India was very much cheering. It is not the World Cup is going to Mahendra Singh Dhoni's house. It was not won by him alone. It was actually won by the team. India won the World Cup, not Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Maybe I'm standing here, but then I'm representing each Indus Viva distributor, because as a DAC member, I cannot say you are not from my team, you are from some other team. I represent the entire Indus Viva. Today I have taken the oath once again for the 8th time in the DAC today. Right? So, as a sweet surprise today, I want each one of you to go back home today with double enthu. Because Alan sir has given us clear indication. Our weight is 21 grams. And I want to make sure you leave this hall ignited. How many of you are ready for that? Okay, now I have a very special thing to make each Indus Viva distributor proud. How many of you are ready for that? I can't see the energy. Some people are tired. Okay, let me not speak, because my mentor Abhilash ji always said, one picture speaks more than 1,000 words, and one video speaks more than 100,000 words probably. So, can we have the lights black out? And I want to share a nice video here, and after that I will come back to you. Lights off, video on, and your hearts and minds open. Lights off, please. Viva distributor, to make each Indus Viva distributor proud about Indus Viva. And I'm representing you today. And now humbly I request our Honorable Chairman. Our respected CEO to unveil this with a button. Ram, can we have the button? The remote? Yes. Where is it? Okay, here we go. 1. So we count from 10 to reverse. Okay, all of you together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Everybody to stay, and now you have seen it. आयुर्वेद बॉटल हाथ में मिल गया, लेकिन एक बार टेस्ट नहीं किया तो मजा नहीं है. सही है ना? You want to just see it or you want to hear it? How many of you want to hear it? Really? If you want to hear it, you need to maintain absolute silence and please stay little comfortably. Don't push. There are ladies and there are kids, so make sure you're there. And now the first click, I request all the three of them to click it for us, and we will listen to the roaring sound of Indus Viva's first roar in 2021. And this is January, and just February we have another 11 months to conquer the world, right? Okay, with the request and blessing and well wishes, I request all of them to click it, unlock it. Just unlock it. Hold it. Request all of you to please stay back. Everybody will get a view of it, don't worry. So here we go. We are Viva. 1, 2, 3. Wow. The first click is ready. So let's clap for our Honorable Chairman, our CEO, and Dr. Shamsuddin for doing the wonderful opening of such a wonderful journey. Yeah. Please switch off the music, DJ. And now let's hear the roaring sound. And where's Archit? I just wanted to give this mic to Archit. Where is Archit? Archit is here? Yes. Nishaji, can you just give this mic to Archit?
Archit ji. Archit ji.
Just go back. Okay. So do you want to know more about this car? Yes. This is Lamborghini Huracan This is the first car in South India. Do you know how much it costs? It is just 5.5 CR. And this is the first time this kind of in the history of direct selling industry. So we are breaking records every day. So that is a real example you can see through your eyes. So I request you all, please, just if you can move back, the people, those who are watching online in Facebook and all, they can see that. So I request all the kings and queens, we all are Viva distributors, we are one. I request all the Viva distributors, please move back to your seats so that all our amazing distributors from home, they're watching live in Facebook, they can see that. I request, yeah, if you want to hear the noise, so please stay back. I request all the distributors, please stay back. Hello, please stay back. So our distributors are watching online. It's a humble request. Please stay back. Please stay back. Yeah. So please stay back. I request all the distributors, leaders, please. Deepak, I request, please. Mr. Simanta Bora, please. Please stay back. I request everyone to please stay back. Hello, request your presence here, please. I request all the DACs, please come onto the stage. All the DACs. Francis. So I request our Alan sir also, please sir. Please be a part of this occasion. I request all the black diamonds, please. I request all the distributors, please stay back. Please don't move out. Please stay back and please take your seats. I request all the distributors, kings and queens. Sir, please, Dilesh bhai, Dilesh bhai, please, hello. You can see, hello. I request everyone to please take your seats. Please don't move out, sir. Hello. Please don't go out. I request everyone to please sit inside. Okay. So once again, let us give a thundering round of applause to our brand new Royal Black Diamond Ambassador, Mr. Prem Kumar Parsardi. Congratulations once again, sir. So we are going to wind up the session, and I'm sure this is going to be the most memorable program in our life. True or not? Absolutely. And I'm sure today, including myself, has set the next dream and the next goal. So, and there is no doubt on it. There is no doubt on it. Our sleepless night has begun today. So, I'm wishing you a great successful career through Indus Viva to each and every kings and queen who have just, came here from the long way, from the northeast, from the different parts of the country. And let us all our dream, let it be fulfilled through this amazing opportunity which is given through by the grace of God in the name of Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited. So thank you so much everyone for joining today, and we all meet for the next King Circle meet soon, and let's come with many more achievements for that event. So I request everyone to please be on your feet. We'll have a Jana Gana Mana, and after that we can wind up the session. Thank you everyone. Take care. Good night.